Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today we are going the Chinese way and I'll be showing you this very yummy beef stir fry that you love, so stay tuned. For this recipe you need your beef, so I have my beef here. It's about half kilo of beef. Make sure you clean your beef thoroughly before you begin this cutting process. And I'm just cutting them into some long thin shape. So I'll just carefully cut this to achieve that. And also, when you're cutting your beef, you need to pay attention to the muscle fibers. That is the green line that just goes down. You want to cut them by breaking it up. That would tenderize your beef and help it to cook fast and come out soft and yummy. When you are done with that, transfer to a bowl and season with some soy sauce, some oyster sauce, some black pepper, and some cornflour. And I'll be dropping the full list of the ingredients and their measurements in the description box so you can check it out. Give this a really good mix and set that aside while we prep other things. Finely crush and mince about 5 cloves of garlic. So just use your knife as you see me doing. Crush it and just cut into smaller sizes like so. And these are the bell peppers that I'll be using, the red, green and yellow bell pepper. So you're just going to open this up and we're going to cut it into the same long thin shape like our beef, so that everything will have the same shape in the food. Like everything will just go uniformly and beautifully together. So just cut the yellow, green, red bell peppers the same way. And also our carrots, everything will have same shape. You guys, this meal is going to look so beautiful. So just cut it open and cut it into that long thin shape as well. And same thing goes for our onions. Just pay close attention to how I'm dicing these vegetables, so that when you're done with your meal, you guys, you're going to love the outcome. And when you're done cutting your onions, take your time to just separate these to make the stir frying process a lot more easier. And after that we head on to make our sauce. So in a bowl, going with some I use the dark soy sauce, some oyster sauce, and then more of that black pepper. I also use some dry scotch bonnet because I wanted more heat. This is a Chinese sauce, so you can skip using that pepper if you don't like the heat. And I added more cornflour and some water. You just go ahead and mix this really well until you can no longer see lumps, and set that aside. And now let's start cooking. So in a heated pan, going with some vegetable oil. I also went in with some sesame oil for that flavor. And now going with your beef and just let this fry. Now you're going to stir this gently and constantly so everything can fry evenly together. And after some time, you can see that it has released some juice. So I'm just going to allow this to keep frying until I begin to see oil in the pan. So you can see that some of the juice has gone back into the beef after some time. So we just keep frying. And when your beef has this sharp golden brown color, you know that it's ready. So just take it off the heat. And the same pan, I already went ahead to clean it up, going with some vegetable oil, and then we're going to fry the veggies, starting with the carrots, going with the minced garlic at this point and just stir. Then you can go in with the onions, stir this really well, and go in with the rest of the veggies. And if you are still watching, this is a good time to give me a thumbs up, drop me a nice comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So after sauteing for a minute, going with your fried beef, and you guys, our beef stir fry is almost ready. Just stir this really well, and I'm already loving the colors. It's popping and I love it. So just give this a really good mix. So after stirring this together really well, go in with your sauce and stir this to combine. You guys, just give this a minute or two to boil, and our beef stir fry is ready. Can you see that it's already beginning to thicken up because of the corn flour that we added? You guys, at this point I was already dancing because this dish came out so well. I loved the colors and it's yummy. This Chinese dish came out really well, and if you are looking for a new meal to try out, I recommend this yummy dish. It came out so well and I enjoyed it with my family. You guys, you're welcome to join us. And we paired this with some rice. What would you rather have this with? Yam, noodles, but I think rice works better for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new till I come your way again. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye guys.